get in the cause of what? The demonstration. You can tell and let them see. Yes. And they were brought to the hospital. Are you okay?
Alright, abusia for me din di nogopo artist na ha Ghana Nsem TV. You best tell say we best subscribe to the channel no move find my join chire bra comment section. Abusia anopa we me report incident a ekoso ewo Temali Technical University. Abusia enumere niama na enkoye baku say niama na ye time papa. Me see clash now with the police any student. Abusia enya asem ketwa. We share the way police for esimbu student nim ebusia okra wo yembe show e ma me nsem mumra mayenko na enko hye niama na esi wo Temali Technical University emu enya papa we expecting say by the close of the day we'll hear report from the Ministry of Education and the Minister of Education ebusia mayenko na yembra na buy better as na me sure bibia
Get in the cause of what? The demonstration. You can tell and let them see. Yes. And they were brought to the hospital. Are you okay?
Please turn around
for treatment.
It's affecting our other employees. They are feeling because of the master. So you can do that.
Wait.
We started this demonstration on a peaceful note, yeah, and it's all about school fees, increment of school fees that generated this demonstration. Initially, we started it very peacefully. Then all of a sudden, they involved the police. This is a student's affair. Yeah, they shouldn't have been police. They even drove their car in and started spraying. I don't know what substance it is. But I'm sure it should be hot water. They started spraying it on us. That's where the students got angry and also started throwing back at the police. Yeah. See, you can barely look around. We keep paying school fees, but there's no sign of anything. We keep paying monies every year. But they are all interested in paying school fees all the time. And we can't keep paying school fees. And see, imagine you go to this school for 5 good years, 2 good years, 5 good years, 2 good years without completing without certificates. And when you go, they'll be like, they fought is from CTVET, they fought is from ICT. Students' own is to write exams, and you have to provide each student with their certificate. So imagine you going to school and completing without certificates. What's the essence of it?
My name is Musa Mahmoudou. I'm the SRC Public Relations Officer for Tamale Technical University. So this morning, what you are seeing is a demonstration, a planned peaceful demonstration that has been organized by the Graduate Student Association of this university as well as the Student Representative Council. Our main motive for organizing this demonstration is an issue we have at hand with management, which has to do with the activities that are compressing issues that are affecting student body in this particular university. Let's talk about lecture house. Let's talk about campus comfortability. Let's look at the hostel. Let's look at the administration block itself. This is a university. This is not an institute. This is a university. This is not a primary school. And we are saying that for over the years we have been paying school fees. If you take the school fees structure, there are levies for development. There are levies for sanitation, exams. There are levies for medical examination. Ask those who are here who have anybody conducted medical examination for. There are development levies that is supposed to develop this particular university. When you go to the lecture house, it will take you out of the room. The stench around the HND block, you can't even stand. Go to the hostel right now. In fact, during the holidays, we thought if you see the hostel, master, you would think like it's an abandoned structure that has been left there. Meanwhile, students pay 1,200 Ghana cedi to go and lay themselves there. They pay additional 100 Ghana cedi as dues in the hostel, but go there, it looks like an abandoned structure. That is why the SI is saying that it is enough. Per our understanding, as it stands now, our week celebration is at stake. It might not come on if management did not intervene. Our request, our money, the money that we have paid as part of our school fees, that is the hostel, the school fees, the SRC dues. Management is supposed to transfer to us to run the administration of the SRC. As it stands now, we don't have money to conduct election. We don't have money to celebrate our week celebration. Our teachers, we have not completed the payment. We wrote to management per our follow and our checkup. Management vice chancellor himself have agreed and approved that instead of the money we requested, he reduced it by approved a certain amount, which we follow to the finance directorate. And at the start, because we engaged management yesterday as part of our core mandate as leaders, we tried all mechanisms that we were supposed to do to engage management so that we solve this amicably. It doesn't see the light of day. We meet management, themselves requested for a meeting. We meet with management. The vice chancellor of this university himself was there. All that they could say was not to listen to what we were coming to present to them. Say I'm disappointed, and at the same time, I'm not disappointed. One, you are here as the media. All the media houses that we have engaged, they are all here. And besides, the petition I am holding now is directed to the Minister of Education. So we are only copying the administration. We are writing to the Minister of Education. For administration, the countless letters that were presented to the administration, they should use that as their evidence.
Do you think it was right to engage?
We did not engage engagement with the police. The police, I would rather say the police attack us. We were doing our peaceful demonstration. We never invited police.